Will heavy-load helicopters take part in earthquake aids? Boeing Model 107 type helicopters with night vision systems for use in fighting forest fires were first used in the fight against forest fires in Turkey last year. These helicopters were also used to transport personnel and materials in Afghanistan before Turkey. According to company data, helicopters can carry loads of up to 5.2 tons and can carry 17 fully equipped personnel up to a distance of 460 kilometers. They are widely used in the civil/commercial sector, especially in the energy sector, for material transfer to offshore platforms. They also have the ability to fly at night. Boeing's Model 107 type transport helicopters are very similar in appearance to the CH-47 Chinook, but have smaller dimensions. Its military model, the CH-46, has been used by the U.S. Marine Corps and armies of many countries. The 5 helicopters that started their duty at Korlu Airport belong to the U.S. Columbia Helicopters Company and were brought to Turkey by being leased by the General Directorate of Forestry, OGM, last year to fight forest fires. According to the information obtained, the crews of the Model 107 helicopters were immediately recalled and 5 helicopters were ready for flight on the second day of the earthquake. However, there was no demand from the authorities for the use of helicopters. Could firefighting helicopters and planes fly for earthquake relief? It is very likely they will. In a major disaster such as the earthquake that occurred in Karamanios on February 6, 2023, it can provide great benefits in tasks such as transportation of materials and personnel, evacuation of injured and disaster victims, fire extinguishing, especially to areas where access is difficult, can offer effective intervention.